Hello and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today we are talking about beetroot. It is wonderful, vibrant color vegetable. If you would like to have perfect beetroot in your pot, indoor and outdoor, please watch this video till the end. I am discussing whole process in detail and step by step instruction. So let's see what we need for it. They are beetroot seeds. Look at them. So what I am going to do, I am just soaking them in water for fastest result. Very quickly they will germinate in this way. And then what I will do, I will just leave them overnight, and then they will be ready the next day to sow in our compost. And now look at this. It is prepared compost. Half of it is multi-purpose, good quality, and half of it is from garden. And then I will mix it very well. And then I will get a small container. It is enough for that amount of seeds, and I will cover it, and I will fill it with some good quality soil, and then very well drained. Then I will water it, and I will have my seeds top of it like that, and then spread them evenly all over. And then what I will do for very fast result, this is the very best result. And then this is the another container in same size I have filled with stone, and then I will keep it on top of it. Then by doing this, then sprouts will come and press into the soil, and then they will grow and germinate very quickly, very easily. So this is the fastest way for seedling, and I will leave this somewhere nice warm, and within 24 hours you will see they are beautiful sprouts are coming out. And then I will remove it, and then I will water again and leave one more day, and then you will start, they are germinating very nicely, and just keep watering whenever it needs. Seeds are germinated very nicely, strong and healthy, we can see. Now next step is these plants will go in our pot. So what I will do, I will just push it like that, loosen it from sides and all over, and then remove it. And then what I will do, then just separate them like that, and then make little hole, and then push them in, and then cover it with extra soil. So they all will go like that, and if they are too many, then just separate them carefully. And then keep them little bit distance, not very close. And if we have extra, we can sow in another pot like that. I think they are enough. Now what I will do, I will just water them, and leave them somewhere nice warm inside, and they have lots of light, or you can or you can put them outside in garden as well. After 1 week, look at them, they are growing very nicely. So I am watering them. We have to keep water them every 4 week. Our beetroots are ready for harvesting. I will just loosen this compost and soil from away from our beetroot, and then from all both sides on around this, and then pull them. So look at them, they are coming very nicely, very beautifully. In dishes of beetroot soup, tortilla wrap and raita. Beetroots are ready now. If you friends like this video, please subscribe my channel and share and like and press the bell icon for more notification.